easy, man.
Alright nerds, and we are back with part 2 of my Ultra Prism box opening, and I'm very excited to continue with this because our pulls weren't so great. Last time we got 2 reverse rares, 2 hollows. Again, out of 6 packs, that is perfectly average. You know, this is not a dud so far, it's just average. And, well, while average is okay, we do want above average, don't we? We want that golden ticket. We want both of them in one pack, and it would be great. Like a pack filled with them, wouldn't that just be awesome, guys? Oh man, maybe not so much awesome. I mean, because you probably accuse me of cheating, and then I'd be like, look, these cards are going for like what, $50-$60 right now. There's no way I'd do that. I'd spend that kind of money just to pull that level of a stunt. So anyways, and I am itching like crazy, and I don't know why my face is so red. It's because I'm opening Pokemon packs and I'm just that excited. So anyway, so let's see what we got here. We're gonna get 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty, so let's see what we have here. We got let's see, we got the well, the Lunalia, the Solagio, Lunalia. I'm not even trying to say the Duskmane Necrozma, but alright, let's get Giratina, Solagio, and well, we got Leafeon here, so tell you what, we'll just do it like this. I'm not even caring what order they are in today. We're just gonna put them together and we're gonna open up some packs and we're gonna have ourselves a good time. So okay, let's see what this is. And like I mentioned yesterday, which it should be yesterday or might be the day before, depending on how I have these videos sorted in the last one, I will be having and that is a white code card, so that is exciting. A stream on March the 11th. That should be Sunday. It will be in the afternoon. I will let you all know when the actual time is. Probably sometime this weekend, or at least a week before, so that you guys, you know, can have time to prepare for the 3 people that are going to show up anyways. So, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. So anyways, we got ourselves a water energy, a looker. Ooh, a liquor. Per ugly. So was that a Lickitung? Chimchar. I want to mention, I've seen this card pulled a few times. I love the art on it. I don't really know why, but it's just kind of like the, I don't know, between the drawing and the background. It's a pretty neat little card. Let me know if you guys like that card too, by the way. Passimian, Boonieri, and Carnivine. That is a reverse rare Licky, so that is a hit. And our rare is a Palkia GX. Full art to go with our Dialga over there. Very nice. Yes. So that is an awesome pull. Oh man, I am very, very happy with that. So, this pack opening, 1 pack in, is already better than the last one. So, alright, let's see what else we can get. Let's see if we can get 1, maybe 2 more good pulls out of it. This would be pretty good. But if that ends up being the only one, I'm not gonna argue the point. So there is another code card, and if for those of you who are in the know, that is another white code card. So we're at least gonna get a hollow out of this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we still haven't pulled a prism card. So you know, we're getting pretty far through, and no prism card. I don't know where it went. So hopefully we'll get one here soon. Maybe in this pack, you know, because you can get a prism card along with, you know, oh my god, I'm having a hard time pulling these. Electabuzz, I don't know why something's going on here. It's not letting me, it's like it's wanting to pull like 3 or 4 cards at once. Morlul, Magmar, looking very awesome. Chimchar, our reverse is a Alolan Dug Trio, which is uncommon, and our rare is a Weavile holographic. Very, very nice. Ooh. So let's grab our bulk here, and oh dear, I just kind of have these things all tossed about, so let's just set them over there. Alright, so 2 hits so far. That's probably about all we can expect, but you never know. Let's find out. Let's find out what we're gonna get. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. All right, nerds, let's see if we can finally get a Prism card. That'd be nice. And I am itching all over the place. I don't even know. Order Pad, Driftbloom, Mars. I am going too fast. Murkrow, Gibble, Dewpider, Stunky, Turtwig. Oh, that's our reverse. Is a Skunk Tank, and that's just an uncommon. In our rare, ooh, is a what is that? That is a Rampardos holographic. Wow, 3 for 3 so far. Yeah, nice. I am not gonna complain about that at all. Wow. So let's see, what is that? That's a total of like 4 hollows so far. So we're probably not gonna pull too many more of those. But there's still a whole bunch of other things in here that I really, really want. Oh, God, I would love to pull at least a hyper rare or a secret rare of something, even if it's not the golden ticket. Just any hyper rare will do. Oh my God! So let's set you aside. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front, and let us begin. Come on, we're starting off with a Psychic Energy, and we still got 2 packs after this. Grotle. Oh, we gotta find ourselves a Prism card, guys. Gotta come on, come with me. Prism. Oh, I'm being a dork again, aren't I? It's okay, I accept that. Turtwig, Roselia, Gibble, a reverse is Electivire, which is a rare, so we got another reverse rare, and our rare is, ooh, God, this is where all the good packs went. Oh my God, and we got a Dark Mane Necrozma GX. Oh my God. Yes. I know this isn't the best card, but you know what? I am very, very excited to get. I mean, these are all new cards, so new cards for my collection. So it's good. It's a good pull. Oh my God! So we got. Let's see. Come on, we got this pack and one more. Will we go 6 for 6? Who knows? I seriously doubt it. But we'll find out. So we're going there. It is a green code card. So hopefully maybe we'll get that Prism card that we've been looking for. I mean, we're almost 12 packs in and no Prism card yet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, well, maybe this will be the lucky one. All right, starting off with a Lightning Energy, Missing Clover, Turtonator, Bronzong, Yanma, Bronzor, Gibble, Roselia, Chimchar, our reverse, oh hey, that is a reverse rare Heat Rotom, and our rare is another Shaman. So, you know, I mean, we got the reverse rare, but, you know, I just knocked some cards over, so I'm going to have to grab those here as soon as I'm done filming this. And we are in our last pack, so let's see if we can get, oh my God, really? And there goes my Facebook Messenger. So, all right, guys, let's see if we can finish this off with a bang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, come on, we want that Prism card. I want a Prism card more than anything else right now. I haven't pulled a single one, guys. Just one. Ugh. Skunk Tank, Electric Memory, Turtonator, Skorupi, Yungoos, Cherubi, Piplup, Snover, and oh, that is just a Weasel. And of course, we're finishing with a Magearna regular rare. So, still no Prism card yet, guys. Still no Prism cards. That's okay though, because we got some pretty amazing pulls here. Let me put these in order of how awesome they are. Although I suppose that is subjective, isn't it? So you guys can make your own order in your head, but this is going to be my personal order. This is my personal opinion, and if you don't like my personal opinion, I'm sure you'll tell me in my comment section. So either way, we have a Licky reverse rare, Heat Rotom reverse rare, Rampardos holographic, Weavile holographic, and of course we have the Dark Mane, or Dusk Mane rather, Necrozma GX, followed up by the Palkia GX full art. That is so cool. These were some of the cards I definitely wanted from this set, so I am very, very excited to add those to my collection. So anyways, nerds, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below, and definitely hit that like button. And if you have not yet, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter at Jedi_cast, and of course on Facebook at Cast the Nerd. And I will see you nerds in the next video. Later.